begun of his life, he thought that big changes can be achieved even without the violence. So, under his leadership, India fought battles in the freedom struggle such as Gandhi March, Quit India movement, powered by the slogan "Karo Ya Maro." So, Gandhi dreamed of India living together with people of every caste, religion, community. I can remember one slogan of Gandhi जी about the religions that भगवान का कोई धर्म नहीं होता है. So he gave equal status to every human being, either he is poor, rich, or and belongs to any other caste. So he had the poor and deprived section of society very effectively. We should learn a lot of things from his life, like simplicity, self-reliance, and courage to walk on the path of truth. So, Gandhi's learning must motivate and encourage the student to do the great things in the life. So, on this day, we should take a place that we will follow the path shown by Gandhiji and adopt the principle in our lives. So, Gandhiji's thoughts are inspirational not only for our country but also for the whole world. Today, there is also an anniversary of another leader, as I have told you, that whose name is Lal Bahadur Shastri, who was born on October 2nd in 1904 into a financially challenged family in UP, India. He became a prominent figure in Indian political system after participating in the movement like non-violent movement, civil disobedience movement led by Mahatma Gandhi during the Indian struggle for independence. He moved to Delhi in 1951, after which he held several roles in central government, like as for he plays roles in Minister for Railway, he plays roles in Minister for Transport and Communication, Minister for Commerce and Industry, and for Home Minister. As we all know that in January 1964, Shastri assumed the role of Prime Minister, succeeding the Jawaharlal Nehru. This leadership was also marked by simplicity, honesty, and an unwavering commitment to our nation welfare. During his tenure, the Indo-Pakistan War, which happened in 1965, took place where Shastri's calm and determined leadership earned him the title the Man of Peace, and after that day he came to know that Man of Peace. He played a pivotal role in negotiating the Skate Agreement in January 1966, which brought an end of the conflict and established the peace with Pakistan. So, one of the Shastri's enduring legacy is the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan, given during the 1965 war. Despite his relatively short time as Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri left an indelible mark on Indian politics and society, known his simplicity, integrity, and dedication to public service. His leadership during a challenging period in India, as history continues to be respected and admired. So let us remember his contribution towards us and our country. Thank you.